Hello and welcome to Ajayasthomani Guru, where we bring you the latest updates and advanced analysis on the commodity markets. Today, we will be discussing the recent developments in the small cardamom market. As of February 19, 2025, small cardamom prices have edged higher due to a decline in arrivals, which fell below 1 lakh kilograms for the second consecutive session. This drop in arrivals has created a tightening supply situation in the market. According to market sources, after prices dropped below 2,900 rupees per kilogram in the previous 18 to 20 sessions, cardamom growers have been holding back their supplies, waiting for better price levels. The average price per kilogram now ranges between 2,919 rupees and 2,922 rupees, which is slightly higher compared to 2,896 rupees to 2,945 rupees in the previous session. In terms of auction prices, the highest price reached 3,228 rupees per kilogram, which is marginally higher than 3,181 rupees recorded in the prior session. This indicates a firming trend in the market. Looking at the arrivals, we can see a steady decline over the past 4 sessions. Today's arrivals were just 54,666 kilograms, down sharply from 92,984 kilograms in the previous session. In terms of offtake, it also decreased from 85,769 kilograms to 51,361 kilograms. However, the offtake rate showed a slight improvement, increasing from 92.3% to 94%, indicating that despite the reduced volumes, demand for small cardamom is still steady. In the ongoing auction, the total number of lots up for sale stands at 257. Which is a decline from 374 lots in the previous session, further reflecting the reduced arrivals. When it comes to the grade-wise prices, there has been little change. The 7 mm grade of small cardamom is quoted at 2,760 rupees to 2,950 rupees per kilogram, while the 7 to 8 mm grades are priced between 3,060 rupees and 3,140 rupees per kilogram. The larger 8 mm and above grades continue to fetch the highest prices, with rates ranging from 3,300 rupees to 3,500 rupees per kilogram. To summarize, small cardamom prices have firmed up as arrivals drop and demand remains steady, despite the reduced volumes. Growers are holding back supplies in hopes of better prices, and the market is showing signs of tightening supply. Thank you for tuning in to Ajayasthomani Guru. Stay connected for more updates and in-depth analysis on the commodities markets.